Hello po sa lahat po ng mga magmamahal kay Miss Catherine Bernardo dahil another updates po tayo no kung saan pinag-uusapan po ngayon no ang pagpapakita ng suporta ni ni Mama Min no sa dating karelasyon ni Miss Catherine dahil po sa kanyang mga ginagawa ngayon sa social media. Ito po ngayon yung usap-usapan ngayon. So yun yung pag-uusapan natin. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. So bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, nais ko pong pasalamatan kayo for always watching and trusting this channel. Thank you so much sa inyong laging panonood at palagi ang pagsubaybay sa mga updates po natin. Maraming salamat po. At ngayong araw, ito na pag-usapan natin. Matapos pong mag-post si Miss Catherine Bernardo ng kanya pong first, parang si Catherine kasi yung tipo ng isang artista na hindi talaga siya pala post ng mga kaganapan sa buhay niya. Not unless na ito'y related po sa kanyang trabaho or related po sa kanyang mga endorsement. Kasi kanyang Instagram account ay ginagamit niya yon to promote their products. And this time, nag-post po siya ng kanya pong minutes of video. At ito po ngayon ay nag-viral. In just 1 hour, ito po ay nakakuha ng almost 1 million views. It only shows na talagang ganun kasikat at ganun ka-relevant ang isang Catherine. At sobrang engaged yung mga tao sa kanyang buhay. Na sobrang lahat ng tao ay pinag-uusapan itong si Miss Catherine Bernardo. So sa isang post, inaabangan kasi ng mga netizen yung itong video na napapanood nyo po ngayon sa aking screen is yung kanyang post. Ayan, pinapakita dito how Miss Catherine really happy sobrang happy niya at pinapakita niya na kung ano yung dating Catherine na natin nawala, 'di ba? Suddenly nawala dahil po sa sakit na naranasan niya. But this time around is talagang pinakita niya that she was already moving on. Meron na talaga siyang sariling buhay na binubuo ngayon. And that's really a good news for everyone. Kasi naman talaga gusto natin maganap sa buhay niya matapos yung napakasakit na sandali ng buhay niya is finally ay makikita na natin yung ngiti sa mga mata ni Miss Catherine. Pero sa isang post po dito sa Reddit, ito talagang Reddit na to, ang daming chismosa dito So babasahin natin, pag-uusapan lang natin. Sabi dito, Mami Min Bernardo was found to have relapsed into Katniel fandom, reposting a Katniel clip even before any birthday greetings for Asia superstar Catherine Bernardo. Kasi dun sa Instagram po ni Mama Min, kung makikita ninyo, nagre-relapse po siya. Nire-repost niya po yung mga videos ni Miss Catherine at ni Daniel. Ayan yan. Nagre-repost siya tapos ayan sa kanya pong videos dito po sa Instagram. Nire-repost siya ng nire-repost. So dahil dito pinag-usapan to. Sabi ng isang nag-comment, for the mother who supposedly deceived her child several times, she still keeps liking and reposting Min's post related to DJ. Even the post in incognito before, she like it. If it is were me, if you were repeatedly deceived my child, you wouldn't get a like or repost from me. Is this a damage control for her child's 2-week trips with Trapo Mayor? Or is she trying to appease that Katniel fans so they still support her child who has a Trapo boyfriend? Parang sinasabi niya dito na parang ginagawa daw ni Mama Min tong pagpo-post para to get the attention of Katniel kasi nga may bago daw na paparating na project ito pong si Catherine at the same time ito rin daw ba yung parang tinatawag na na parang sinasabi niya dito na damage control dahil po sa pagdi-date ng kanyang anak. Sabi dito ni Long Performance 6980, sabi niya, they hired a private investigator back then to find out if there was a third party. The closest Katniel fans know that even before it was being talked about that they were on the rocks. They said there wasn't any. They hired again until it was just left at financial issues because they were deaf to them. Plus Daniel was supporting a lot of relatives. It's true that Kat is now richer and has a huge amount of savings. They are not on the same level. Kat's mom already have doubts because of DJ's finances. Aren't you wondering why there have been so many cheating rumors? that have come out about our artists since their proven were received. But a single one came out that Danielle was actually spotted with other girls. The issue with Jasmine Curtis audio recording. It came out right away, but one there where there he allegedly hung out with someone else. Nothing. Look, if DJs really cheated multiple times, would Tita Min still be able to like DJ's project? You can still accept that Danielle is incompatible and immature, as well as easily angered and toxic to be with, because it's proven that there are witnesses to that, and it's already a valid reason to break up for those reasons alone. But it's just off to convince of things that have no proof, such as cheating, and forever crucify him for that. Just saying, it doesn't make sense slightly. Ayun. So, sinasabi niya dito na kung totoo daw talaga, parang ang kanyang narrative dito is ito pong ang pamilya ni Miss Catherine Bernardo ay nag-hire ng private investigator para po talagang patunayan kung totoo ba talaga. Which is, kung iisipin natin, is kaya naman talaga nilang gawin yon, diba? Kung totoo talagang nag-cheat tong si Danielle. And then he said na wala talaga silang nakita na any evidence na makapagtuturo at makapagsasabi na talagang meron nga. Kung meron man isang ebidensyang lumabas, yun daw yung audio patungkol kay Jasmine Curtis Smith, no, na kapatid po ni Miss Anne. And sinasabi po dito, tina-justify niya na parang kung totoo daw talaga na niloko or nag-cheat itong si DJ kay Miss Catherine Bernardo, most probably si Mama Min po yung unang-unang masasaktan. At the same time, si Mama Min din po yung hindi niya na po ilalike, hindi niya na re-repost kung ano man yung mga videos and mga photos or ano mang may connected kay Mr. Daniel Padilla. And this people also said that na parang Mama Min also likes those new projects of Mr. Daniel Padilla. So, para sinasabi niya dito na despite of all the things happened between Catherine and Daniel, still yung suporta ni Mama Min ay na kay Daniel Padilla pa rin. So, ang aking point of view with regards to this is that si Mama Min kasi is very, naman siya may pinagsamahan sila. Nagiwalay si Catherine at Daniel Padilla. Pero, hindi naman po sinabi doon na natapos na din ang relationship ni Mama Min at ni Daniel. Alam natin na may pinagsamahan silang dalawa. Sabi nga ni Miss Carla Estrada sa mga interview niya na talagang si Daniel po ay nakikinig kay Mama Min. Nakikinig siya kay Min Bernardo, kay Tita Min Bernardo, sa mami ni Miss Catherine Bernardo. Whenever na sila ay nagkukwentuhan, nag-uusap sila, nakikinig siya lagi. Which means talagang malalim yung kanilang pinagsamahan. So, hindi po maiiwasan na kahit nagiwalay na si Catherine at Daniel, nandun pa rin yung support ni Tita Min kay Mr. Daniel Padilla. Kaya po may mga ganong post. Pero I don't think na parang ginagawa yun ni Mama Min to get the attention of Katniel, to get the support of Katniel para sa upcoming project ng kanyang anak. Kasi in the first place, ang Katniel pa rin naman po ang magde-decide, diba? Yung mga fans pa rin yung magde-decide if you want to support kahit hindi gawin niya ni Mama Min, diba? At the same time, alam natin na sobrang daming fandom po ni Miss Catherine. Ang dami pong naniniwala sa kanyang talento. At marami ring nagmamahal kay Miss Catherine Bernardo. Kaya naman sana sana lang na yung kanyang mga proyekto na darating masuportahan pa ng todo ng mga Katniel fans, Catherine fans, Katden fans. So nasa sa inyo na po yun, dahil this time is pinakita naman ni Catherine na kahit nasaktan siya ng todo noon, pinapakita niya pa rin that he's a good person. Kahit nga ang dami ng babas siya kanya ngayon, ang dami niyang mga napapanood, nakikita ang mga fake news, mga balita at mga salitang nanggagaling sa mga bashers. Pero never po siyang nag-retaliate. And that's really a good thing, about Catherine Bernardo. Kaya naman, I am always on the side of Catherine for this. So, kayo po, anong niyong saloobin patungkol dito? Mag-comment kayo sa comment section. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dareds TV and Dareds channel. God bless everyone.